Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. I paint monsters for a living. It's quite the life, people. Enjoy. Good morning, my people. This is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. We're still here at Pure Terror, and we are throwing down some floors today. So we're going to be adding clear coat into the paints, and then we're going to be doing a topical. Now, I found a topical that doesn't have any UV protectants in it, so that way we won't have any dulling of the paint. That's a good thing. And we will be able to sit there and give a harder coating, especially in this atmosphere where we're out in the woods and customers will be dragging their feet through with grime and rocks and twigs and that sort of thing, and dirt. So we're going to try to give him as hard a surface as possible, and I'm going to bring you on board with it. So hey, enjoy the transitions, like, subscribe, and hey, share and comment. Thank you very much for coming on board, people. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.